Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Brian Saputra dengan NIM 2023041037. Saya dari kelas I. I've learned a lot in the college about happiness, love, and life. I just want to go through 8 of the 3 years I've been here and share some stories and what I learned from each year, because each year honestly and has been quite unique in its own right and has its own story to tell and lessons to be learned from the freshman year. Taught me a lot of this through confidence in cause sophomore years was more through tragedy and failure, and junior years was tragedy and entertainment and self-reflection. My name is Truk, and here's my story. You freshman year with him and how to break it on my show, and we street of living in love in of introversional and unique. Know that this wanted to be more. I want to become in the man that I know I was capable of becoming. When I go to campus, I immediately started talking to different people and started doing paper with my romance. I had to learn to live in a nerd environment. I had to learn how to go with not home. Being who had a divided lively did me I let to the year about just going out there and going out of my comfort zone and doing things that I must be scared of, because in the end just realizing that this were never gonna be as big as a thing they were going to be. I was going to go out there. I was going to fail. I was going to get rejected. I was going to get hurt a lot of times. But in the end, Wells know one thing was that I was going to be okay, and at the end of all, I learned a lot of things and how a lot of stories to tell, but there's it all through the emoting, the heart pounding moments, and the sheer impact I will have on my own character, my comedic skills, and my emotional rationalist. I still felt that I did to do that I did never really feel like I did anything meaningful. I mean, I did build a lot of great, but so what a lot of the pricks I did were just empathy, have that made me feel good just for a short time, gaining school sky and was lit my school of it, but so that the people talking to never stayed. I merely just talk it into to full the fight life by not have anything to talk to. That get me war no freshman years was a great years and learned to so many this and bit congrat me in so many mice, but overly would say it was impahased at mostly just fun and close years of more years was most difficult. It was the years will become so much story in way that I never wanted to. It was my years of tragedy and fruity in September 25 when my friend invited me to go. Really, I just moved in my new study apartment and was so excited for the new school years. First being accounted into my major, never realized how hard really starting for because that only that about 50 minutes for me to all control information in outside pre-press. I just work she like and you feel good the file happiness me top of the most excited pain ever flat in my life. It was a symbol for what was to next. I know that I had to forget. I know how free work out of school. Everything that was looking from head to class ding people my study apartment just starting. I know and peaceable doing so will all in it going in the blink of an eye had never flashed to Lenny in my entry life just like in the on my band country my offline with my previous money know that I go up so easily and the thing that hurt in the most was just the ultimate reality that a stroke was the most important thing of all. This was that is never stable. Meeting these are just gonna happen that you never expected and gonna sit you on a easily been complain and put yourself pity, self-haunting, thinking what this do miss all your follow at in the of the day will always be your responsibility to figure out the close the floor and properly close to cry for the most part, but in the I know that's not the point. The math myself reflect a lot now my life my while it helped my appreciate the little this unfog on was really mattering in the life because in the end reality the thing that happened to me just simple happen under myself did for me in the film to by rather my judgment about their fresh home and spot hormone and word differ of the septum were too with in the mass of the impact the and how on me and the lesson I have learned and how grateful in for how in the out there are very much the same Jerry year where everything soundful clearly it is where not a bit more after 2 years and new world ready go to the and make meaningful reality having connection. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Brian Ahwes. I can believe I have entered the end of the first semester of the management course. This time I will share a glimpse of reflection on learning the management course. The article will contain good moods, I happy, sad, default, emotional situation, and happy, I little difference, I high school, and semester 1. This was written from a study of several expresses that I had while I was a management study at the Yogyakarta Muhammadiyah campus. While in semester 1 with was studies and to be really enriched to that as a study had exposure it by study in depth for me. This is with interaction and calling, so it often of or meets to the outside world that me don't know much about.